Hello guys, so welcome to the cPanel environment. So in today's video, we want to talk about cPanel, how cPanel function and everything about cPanel. Now for the last one we did about cPanel mastery, we did use just one video and it was very long and most people didn't finish the video to the end. So right now I'm going to be taking this one in different segments. So I'm going to put them in a playlist so that you can actually go there and pick any of the one you want, any setup you need from cPanel if you have no idea about cPanel. Right, guys? So this is cPanel tutorial, and let me give you an overview of cPanel before we begin. So this is cPanel. To access cPanel, you just have to go through your hosting. As you can see, I went through my Namecheap hosting, or you go directly from the link that was sent to you. So your website link slash cPanel. So if you do something like that, you have something like, let's say, let me copy this link slash cPanel. So if you do something like this, it will take you to cPanel. So this is how you access cPanel. That's your website link slash cPanel. So just take it here. You understand, guys? So right now I'm already logged in the cPanel. So now let's walk around the cPanel together. Let me show you everything on the cPanel. So as you can see, you have the software colors app installer, the website installer. If you're using Namecheap, you have Namecheap SSL. You have Jellyfish spam protection. For protection, you have PHP version, set up node.js, app, set up Python app, set up Ruby app. You see, manage shell. Now for scripts, these are the scripts for software colors. You have WordPress, Joomla, Avantacat, PHP Civil Machine Forum, and others for different functions. Depending on the website you want to build, each of them play a major role for you. Now you also have them in categories, blog, author, forums, whatever you want to create, you can just pick them and learn how to do it. Now you also have the file, you have the file manager. File manager, you have the images, the directory, privacy, disk usage, web disk, FTP account, backup. Now we're going to be going through everything one after the other. Right? So we're going to be going through them one after the other. So this is your cPanel environment. So get ready, grab a cup of coffee or tea or whatever. So let's get ready. PHP my admin, MySQL database, MySQL database wizards. You see, this is where you actually do your domains, adding domains to your account. This is actually where you set redirect in your website. This is your zone editor, which country or which zone you want your website to display on. Dynamic DNS. If you have any question, yes, these are based on security. SSHSS, SSL, manage API token, hotlink protection, leech protection, mode security, status, two-factor authentication for your cPanel. Now this is where you see the metrics of your website, visitors, AWS, stats, and others. So this is WordPress, and we're going to be doing setting setup right now. We're going to be doing simple setup. So grab a cup of coffee. Let's get started. All right. All right. So welcome back to the Save and video. Now, the first video we want to talk about here is how to upload files to cPanel. All right. How to upload files to cPanel. Now, there are two ways to do this. You either use the FTP or the file manager. Now, the FTP I don't normally use, but the file manager is what I do use and recommend. So I'm going to show you how to do it with the file manager. Now, the first thing you want to do before you even decide to upload your file is to log into your cPanel, right? So log into your cPanel. I'm already on my cPanel for you. Log into your cPanel. Now, if you don't know how to check it, how to access your cPanel, go to your email that was sent to you when you bought your domain and your hosting. You see cPanel URL and password and username. So just open it and to bring you here. Now, Once you get here, look for file manager. Now it will bring up this file manager. So I'm going to open it in a new tab. Now it will show this file manager like this. Now this is my file manager, as you can see. Right, this is my file manager. Okay, so I have some files inside the public underscore HTML folder. So let me remove it. So let me remove the file I have inside the public underscore HTML. So I can show you guys how to do it yourself. Sorry, move it slash. All right, so it's actually moving out now. So now I want to show you. So before then, you want to make sure your file is already ready. So I have a lot of files. So let me go to my music where I say some file. Okay, assuming this is the one I want to. Okay, let's say this is the file I want to upload. This is the file I want to upload. So let me split my screen. Now I could do this in two ways. Now, first way we could do this, right? Now, all right, it's empty right now. We have it emptied. Okay, so the first way we could do this is to come to our cPanel, click on upload here. Once you click on upload, click on select file. Once you click on select file, open here, you have the file, and then sometimes you have issues regarding that. So you just have to refresh and come again. So right now you see it is uploading. Now this is method one, as I said. So the other way is just to drag and drop. As you can see, we could say, okay, let's drag this and drop it here. So it will drag and drop. So that is the two methods you can use to do that here. You can drag it and drop it, or you can just select it. I'm going to cancel it and leave it. So this is how you actually upload file on your cPanel. Now this is the faster method. So please use this method when it's convenient. FTP is quite slow, but use this method as convenient. Now I think this is this for how to upload files on cPanel. If you've not hit the subscribe button, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video. And I'll see you on the next one.